Interpretation is very important for the national as well as international exams. So this is the part which I was struggling for very long, so I came with a different formula and I'm going to share it with you. We can call it a mnemonic and it is going to help you as well. It helped me a lot and it is going to help you as well. So we all are well aware of the game tic tac toe game. This is the very important game and a very funny game in our school and college. So you are also going to like it, and you are, I hope you all are aware of this game. So we are going to do our ABGs interpretation with this game. So this is, there are the 2 columns and 2 rows. Here this will be acid, this is the normal, and this is the base. First we should note the normal values of a few important parameters. First is the pH, the second is PaCO2, and third is HCO3. The normal pH, it varies from 7.35 to 7.45. Similarly, the normal values of PaCO2 are from 35 to 45, and for the HCO3 these are the 22 to 26. So this is the basic formula of our game, and we are going to do our ABGs interpretation. So let's do it with the help of the example. So here we are going to make our grid. That is here there's acid, this is a normal value, and this is the base. And let's put all the values under the the pH, the normal pH, we all know it is from 7.35 to 7.45. so the pH is raised. So the raised pH means that it is from the it forms the base, so it will come under the base. Here the pH is basic pH. Now the PaCO2, and the normal value is from 35 to 45. We know that more than 45 means that the thing is more acidic, and less than that it means that it is basic. So PaCO2 is 23, so it will again come in the under the grid of the base. So here, and now the HCO3, the HCO3 is 18, and we know that the normal is from 22 to 26. So it will come under the less. HCO3 means that it is towards the acidic, and the more than 26 it is, that it means it is the basic. And so it will come under the acid, as it is less than 22, it will come here as CO3. So these forms are tic-tac-toe and tic-tac-toe. So it means that it is alkalosis. Either it is respiratory or it is metabolic. We know that PaCO2 or carbon dioxide, it is released from the lungs, so this will be the respiratory alkalosis. Now either it is compensated or uncompensated. We know that the HCO3, it has decreased to 18, so and it forms acidic matter, so it means that it is partially compensated. Okay, now let's move to our next example. So here, this is the example. Let me change the color of my pen so that you can understand it well. Again, we are going to make the grid of the tic-tac-toe. Here it is the acid, here it is normal, and here it is base. So the pH is 7.20. the pH is less, like the pH is acidic, so here it will come under the heading of the acid. Now the PaCO2, we know that the PaCO2, it is from 35 to 45. the normal value is the 38, means that it is the normal, so PaCO2 will come here. Now the HCO3 is 17. We know that the normal value is from 22 to 26, so it is less. It will also come under the heading of the acid. So it has complete our grid, and this becomes the acidosis. Now either it is metabolic or respiratory. We know that the SCO3 is controlled by the renal metabolism, so it will come as a metabolic acidosis. And now we know that PaCO2 is normal, so it will come uncompensated. It will come as uncompensated. So this is the metabolic acidosis, which is uncompensated. I hope you are enjoying this. Now let's move towards next example. This is again we are going to make our grid, and here it will come the acid, here it is normal, and here it is the base. Now we know that the pH is 7.48, which is more than 7.45, so it is the basic. And now PCO2, it is the 35 to 45 is normal, so PCO2 is normal. And then HCO3, the normal is 22 to 26, so it is more, so it will again come into under the heading of the bases. So this is metabolic alkalosis and uncompensated. The metabolic alkalosis uncompensated. Now let's move to our next example, and next again make the grid. Here it is acidic, here it is normal, and here it is basic. Now the pH is 7.21. The 7.21 means that it is less, so pH will come under the heading of the acid, and PCO2 is it is more. The more means that it is again acidic. It will again come under the heading of the P acid. And the HCO2 is HCO3 is 28. It means that it will come, it is more, and it will come under the heading of the base. So we know that the pH, as this has completed, it means that it is the acidosis, either respiratory or metabolic. It is respiratory acidosis, and as the bases are raised, so it means that they are partially compensated. Now let's move to our last example, and again we are going to make a grid. This is acid, this is normal, and this is base. So the pH is 7.350. It means that it is more. The pH will come under the heading of the base. The PCO2 is 47. That it means that it is the normal, so PaCO2 will come here, and PCO3 is again 27. The normal is 26, so it will come under the heading of the bases. So this is alkalosis, and as it is the metabolic alkalosis, and the PaCO2 is less, so it means that the PaCO2 is sorry, it is also the 47 is the normal is 35 to 45, so it is raised here. It will come here PaCO2, so it is partially compensated. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the lecture, and for more like these videos, subscribe my channel. The next video, stay blessed.